ROFLMAO meaning. ROFLMAO is an acronym used in online communication and texting that stands for rolling on the floor laughing my ass off. It's often used to express extreme amusement or laughter in response to something funny. Each part of the acronym represents an action or state. ROFL, rolling on the floor laughing, MAO, my ass off. So, when someone says or types ROFLMAO, they're indicating that they find something so amusing that they're metaphorically rolling on the floor in laughter. FYI, humor is subjective, and what makes one person laugh hysterically might not have the same effect on another. However, here's a list of general types of humor and comedic tips that often lead to laughter. 1. Observational comedy, pointing out funny aspects of everyday life or common situations that people can relate to. 2. Satire and parody, exaggerating or mocking real-life people, events, or trends in a humorous way. 3. Puns and wordplay, playing with words, double meanings, or puns to create clever and witty jokes. 4. Physical comedy, using body language, facial expressions, and physical actions to evoke laughter, like slapstick humor. 5. Surreal and absurd humor, creating situations or scenarios that are bizarre, illogical, or nonsensical for comedic effect. 6. Self-deprecating humor, making fun of oneself or one's own flaws, mistakes, or quirks in a light-hearted manner. 7. Cringe comedy, deliberately creating awkward or uncomfortable situations that are funny because of their absurdity or unexpectedness. 8. Topical and current events comedy, making jokes about recent news, pop culture, or trending topics that are relevant to the audience. 9. Satirical sketches and skits, creating comedic scenarios or sketches that lampoon specific aspects of society, culture, or human behavior. 10. Ridiculous characters and exaggeration, developing over-the-top or exaggerated characters or personas that are inherently funny because of their absurdity. 11. Unexpected twists and punchlines, setting up jokes or stories with a predictable premise but delivering a surprising or unexpected punchline. 12. Cultural and ethnic humor, done respectfully, jokes that playfully highlight cultural differences, stereotypes, or traditions can sometimes lead to laughter, but it's essential to approach this type of humor with sensitivity and avoid perpetuating harmful stereotypes. Remember that humor is highly subjective, and what one person finds hilarious, another might not. It's also essential to be mindful of the context and audience when using humor, as some topics or jokes may be inappropriate or offensive in certain settings.